It's been a while, Mike. How have you been?
Yeah, it has. I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work's been hectic, but I'm managing. Have you had any time for yourself lately?
Not much, honestly, but I did manage to squeeze in some time to watch a new show on Netflix. Have you seen anything interesting lately?
Actually, yeah. I started watching that new detective series. It's pretty good. The plot twists are crazy. You should check it out.
Oh, I've heard about that one. What's it called again?
It's called The Missing Clue. The story really pulls you in. I ended up binge watching the whole season last weekend.
Sounds like something I'd do. I'll definitely give it a shot. So what else is new with you?
Well, I've been trying to get back into running. I signed up for a 10K race next month. Figured it's time to get in shape.
Wow, that's awesome. I've been meaning to start running too, but it's hard to find the motivation. How do you stay motivated?
It's tough, but I set small goals. Like, I tell myself to just run for 10 minutes, and usually I end up going longer. It's all about tricking your mind a little.
That makes sense. Maybe I'll give it a try. I could use a new hobby.
You should. We could even run together sometime. It's always more fun with a friend.
That sounds like a plan. Let's do it. Maybe this weekend?
Perfect. Let's meet up on Saturday morning and we'll hit the park. It'll be great to catch up more while we're at it.
Deal. Here's to getting back in shape and not giving up after one run.
Cheers to that.